Today, I will demonstrate how to use the EduMic transmitter as shown here. Wear the EduMic using the lanyard. To attach the lanyard, hold the lanyard so that the smiley face is facing down, depress the clip, and slide it underneath. Shorten the lanyard by pulling up on the bottom. Wear the lanyard so that it's 6 inches from your mouth, which is roughly the distance between your baby finger and your thumb if your head is level. So not like this, but keep your head level, your baby finger's on your mouth, and your thumb ends up to where the microphone should be. Wear the EduMic so that the microphone is facing out. This is the microphone. If the microphone is not facing out, above all else, the student is going to hear the microphone rubbing against your shirt. To turn on the EduMic, press and hold the button on the side for 2 seconds. You'll see a solid green light when the transmitter is on. To turn it off, press the same button for 2 seconds. The EduMic transmitter will transmit up to 20 meters or 65 feet. Be aware that what you're saying will be transmitted through doors and walls. Please remember to mute or turn off the transmitter when there's no direct instruction. If you're not muting frequently throughout the day, you may not be doing it enough. Encourage the student to help you to remember to mute and unmute using a nonverbal signal so that the student doesn't have to interrupt you while you're talking. To mute the EduMic, briefly press on the side button and the green light will flash. To unmute, press the same button. If the student brings the EduMic to you in a plastic sleeve, please remove the plastic sleeve. It will cover the microphone port, so we don't want it. The student's hearing aids should already be connected to the EduMic, but if the student reports not being able to hear you through the EduMic, try to repair. Turn the hearing aids off and back on again. On a rechargeable hearing aid, turn it off by pressing the lower part of the hearing aid push button for 3 seconds. Then turn the hearing aids back on by pressing the lower part of the hearing aid push button for 2 seconds. Once the hearing aid is back on, the hearing aids can now be paired with the EduMic within the next 3 minutes. Place the hearing aids close to the EduMic. The status indicator will blink blue while pairing is in progress. When pairing is complete, the status indicator turns green. Charge the EduMic every night. Turn off the transmitter and plug the charging cord into the side receptacle. There's no danger of overcharging the transmitter. Our team is happy to help and answer any questions that you might have.